Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Our next story takes us here to the heart of southern Germany and the town of Denkendorf, where Swabian culture and ancient historic sites, like this monastery built in the year 1129. This tiny village is landlocked and a good day's drive from the ocean. But we're going to explore how Denkendorf is still closely connected to the ocean and helping clean our oceans in unexpected ways. Most of us are aware that plastic pollution is overwhelming our planet's oceans, with at least 8 million tons encroaching surface waters, settling deep into floor sediments. About 10% of all that plastic, nearly 750,000 tons, is made up of abandoned fishing nets, also known as ghost nets. An environmental group called Healthy Seas harvests these old fishing nets from seas around the planet. In a strategic alliance, Healthy Seas works with volunteer divers from Europe's Ghost Fishing Foundation to recover massive nylon nets set adrift by fishing boats. They're found draped over rocks, reefs, or shipwrecks. If left down there, they become death traps for marine creatures such as sharks, dolphins, seals, and reef fish. And even if removed, many old fishing nets wind up in landfills. But not these. From waste to the world of fashion, these ghost nets and other nylon waste are processed by another environmentally conscious company called Aquafil into a durable, high-quality yarn called Econyl regenerated yarn.
When we speak about Econyl, Econyl is made entirely from waste, so 100%. But we want that at least 50% of these wastes are represented by post-consumer waste, such as fishing nets and carpet flooring. So we recycle several thousand of tons of fishing nets per year.
From waste such as old fishing nets to yarn to the carpet beneath our feet. That brings us far inland from the ocean, right back here to Denkendorf, and a company called Object Carpet, which uses sustainable Econyl yarn to make brand new carpets and rugs.
The good thing about fishing net as well as other materials is that the material which is used for fishing net is the same material we use for carpet. So it's nylon, and with nylon you can do sustainable, long-lasting carpets in any kind of design, in any kind of color. And the nylon has the advantage that you can recycle it again and again.
This place is so enormous you really need a couple days to take everything in. With more than 1,400 styles and colors of rugs and carpets, Object Carpet sells mostly to architects, interior designers, and commercial contractors. Carpets made right here in Germany to the company's strict quality standards, which include a commitment to environmental sustainability.
Here's a wide range of carpets in all kinds of colors and structures. For example, here we have a nice product newly developed by a German architect, Ippolito Flights Group, which is 100% recycled and made from fishing nets and waste. We have the chance to work together with good partners like Aquafil, which are producing the 100% recycled fiber. We are now using 70% of all of our carpets. We use that fiber, and our aim is the next 2 years to have 100% recycled and recyclable fibers in our carpet and to have it real circular.
The most important thing is to create the carpet to reuse, to recycle content, to make a design for the future.
You can imagine to transform something that is trapping fishes and killing animals or destroying marine habitats, and out of it making beautiful carpets or products by the luxury fashion industry. well, clearly we are very happy with it.
We can now see why some carpets are much more environmentally friendly than others. And Object Carpet certainly knows how to use carpet to make their employees feel part of the environment.
We love carpet. We love carpet and create beautiful spaces for healthy and environment atmosphere. And we need a space for our employees to come in and feel good.
Each product we offer to our clients has to do with our company DNA, like sustainability, health and design. So design is what you can see. Sustainability is somehow what is inside the product, the ingredients. And the health issue is what is the impact to the customer, to the humans who work and live on the carpet.
As these very low-emission carpets can protect people's health, they have been awarded the Blue Angel Eco-label from the German Federal Environmental Agency.
We've proven that yesterday's waste can be the carpet for the future.
So, the next time I walk across a carpeted floor, I know I'm going to wonder whether part of it comes from nylon waste, possibly from the ocean floor, making the full circle, as what Object Carpet likes to call, from waste to style.